Welcome back, guys. I trust you're doing well. Today we are making this yummy crinkle potato chips with some chicken nuggets. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're going to be starting with our potatoes. I'm using sweet potatoes, and it takes it's kind of difficult to cut, so that's why I'm using this like jackhammer or whatever it is. So I'm going to be using my crinkle cutter. That is the aim of this video. It's the normal potato chips, but this is just to make it interesting for whoever is eating it, because sometimes you just get bored. So of course this crinkle cutter is available everywhere. It's on Amazon, it's on AliExpress. I'm sure you'll find it in your grocery store. Anywhere you check it, it's kind of popular right now. I'm just going to season my potatoes with some salt, and I'll get ready to set this aside for frying later on while I prep my chicken for the chicken nuggets. So it's very simple, just season it with some salt. If you want to add any other thing, it's fine, it's just for you. So guys, don't worry about this chicken. I previously marinated it in some yogurt, some seasoning, some garlic, and some onion powder. And because I had it resting in my fridge already, I didn't want to use like a fresh batch of chicken. I wanted to use the same one. Okay, so I'm going to be frying my potatoes right now. I'll be deep frying my potatoes on medium heat so that at least the heat can go around, and then I am sure that it's going to cook through perfectly and it's not undone. So fry this for 3 to 5 minutes, and when you think enough justice has been done, scoop your potatoes out from the oil so that it doesn't get burnt. So I'm just going to wait while I scoop out every single potato from that hot oil while I get ready for the main thing, which is my chicken nugget. The chicken nugget is what I was really looking forward to in this dish, and guys, I almost finished everything even before I finished editing this video. So guys, the major ingredients we're going to be using for our chicken nuggets are flour, egg, and some breadcrumbs. So I just added a little bit of paprika in that all-purpose flour. You can use any other seasoning if you want, but I felt my chicken was seasoned enough. That's why I didn't add any other seasoning like that. If you feel it's not yet seasoned enough, you can still use a little bit of seasoning in your flour. So we're using flour, we're using beaten eggs, and we're using some breadcrumbs. So first you put your chicken pieces in the flour, the eggs, and the breadcrumbs, and you get ready to fry. Fry on medium heat for like 3 to 5 minutes. This thing fries really fast, and it is like chicken breast, so it doesn't need so long to cook at all. In like 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it's all done, depending on whatever heat you're using. And guys, our meal is ready very fast. Everybody will love this. Kids, children, adults, just serve it with some mayo, with some ketchup, whatever you want to eat it with, and you're done. Serve it with your favorite drink as well. Thank you so much for sticking around and for watching. I'll see you in other videos. Bye.